Hey guys, good morning. Beautiful morning here in Florida. It's Christmas time actually. So the Jag standing on the trailer for 2 days, and I tried to remove it and it won't rolling. Probably the brakes. You guys can see the angle of the trailer. I just want to remove this thing somehow. So first situation here, probably sitting too much. I tried to push down somehow. It looks like kind of difficult. The shifter in drive. Actually, this doesn't work. And the angle is just fine. The back actually touching the ground. And look at this. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so I make a decision and install this little hook thing here in the corner, chain all the way to here, and a little bit of help. We'll see. Okay, so the car officially removed. Wasn't easy. Yes, Charlie. Okay. So I start to walk around. The paint still looks really good. I'm super happy with it. I believe that one of the hardest thing to do, redone the paint, definitely a silver, just so difficult to repaint it. Has to matching, not just the color, the temperature, the drying time when they painting, and almost impossible to do exactly silver color 20 years later. Different cabin, different spray gun. It just never will be perfect. So anyway, the paint is really nice everywhere, thank God. It's beautiful, shiny, just gorgeous, except the front bumper. The front bumper is a little bit damaged here, but it's okay. It's not a brand new car. So I'm really thinking to replace the wheels, because on this body style probably that's the only thing what we can do. I'm not really like to do a spoiler, some grand effects or wing or anything like this, you know, this beautiful body line. But the wheels is possible to change it a little bit nicer, definitely wider. I'm really looking for big lip wheels. But you know what, guys? That's a BBS wheel, and that's factory. And that's the only and the first, not only, the first vehicle in 2001 probably when come out with factory 20-inch rims, which is kind of a big deal. That's a BBS, so probably I will keep it. I definitely will lowering this car, probably only 1 inch. Definitely not much. And I know a lot of car guy doesn't like it, but probably I will put a spacer, just a 3/4 inch or 1 inch spacer, to do something with this. Actually, I really don't like that area here. It's the quarter panel much more outer than a wheel, and the tire, I believe, so far from the edge. I know everybody like different, everybody like to do this different way. I really try to keep this factory look, but I also doesn't like this angle. I really don't like it. We have 3 ducts, by the way. It's a little bit lower, a little bit outer. I really want a bigger lip, but that car just made with this wheels and just beautiful. It's super cold this morning in Florida, believe it or not, one of the coldest Christmas. That's why all my dog are wearing a t-shirt, which is weird, I know. Okay, let's see the interior. So here we go, interior, black. I love black, thank God, it's black, not tan. I had 3 Jaguar with tan colored interior. A lot of people call it white, but it's not really a white, most likely tan. The exterior was silver. It's a beautiful color combination, but I just like better the black. I'm really looking for black exterior car. I really promised myself I never ever buy anything else, just black, because that's my favorite color. And then this Jag is silver, and if I look around, all my car is something else except my truck. My truck is black. Anyway, so there's a little bit of damage here. I can replace it, no problem. The door panel is really nice. I really like the wood green. That's probably one of the last product, real wood everywhere. The previous owner just replaced the headliner. I can see it. Probably I will change to black, and I will replace this also to black. The shape is okay. This little old-fashioned screen here, it's some kind of damage on it. I mean, kind of cool when a Jaguar logo come up. Actually, I can show it. Look at this, guys. It still works, even if the engine doesn't run. Jaguar. That's cool. Okay. Back seat is really nice. So, a little bit of plan about this car. My original plan was to do a classic race car. So that's what I will do. Stay tuned.